Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday, March 3rd, and I am getting ready to make a quick dinner. I'm just gonna throw some chicken, potatoes, and carrots in the crock pot. So if you want to see me make my Sunday dinner and also get an update on how my seedlings are doing, then keep watching. Okay, so I cut up my potatoes, I put my chicken in the crock pot. Now I'm gonna season it. So I'm gonna throw some salt on the chicken, pepper, because you wanna make sure you season each layer in the crock pot. And then I'm gonna take some garlic powder, some onion powder, and I measure nothing. And then I'm gonna take some paprika and just sprinkle that over. All right, so that's for the chicken. Now we're gonna throw the potatoes in. So I'm gonna put the potatoes on one side and the carrots on the other. All right, so I'm gonna grab the carrots out of the fridge. All right, so I'm gonna add some baby carrots to the other side. So we're just gonna cook all that together. All right. Some chopped yellow onion that I have left over. Just gonna throw that in there. Some additional seasoning. All right, now we're gonna go in and season the vegetables. So a little salt on the potatoes and the carrots, a little pepper. We're gonna add some more garlic powder. because again, we want everything to be seasoned. Those potatoes are probably going to be heavily seasoned. And then we're going to throw on the paprika. I didn't do the garlic powder this time, or the onion powder this time, because I've got onion in here. Alright. That is it. Now we're going to add it to the base, and we're going to cook it on high for about 4 hours. Well, less. That's dinner. All right, friends, so I wanted to give you a quick little update on where my seedlings are and how they're doing. So first we're going to start here. This is the cabbage, the broccoli, the bell peppers, and the jalapenos. As you can see, they're doing pretty good. These are just kind of drooping. I'm not sure why. So if you have any ideas or tips, please let me know, because I have a couple that are drooping. I'm still very new to gardening, so I don't know, but as you can see, I have them in front of the window. I actually started hardening them off yesterday, so I'll set them outside here in a little bit just so that they, you know, could get some actual fresh air. Because it's cooler today than it was yesterday, I'm only going to leave them out there for about an hour. And then bring them back in, because I don't want to kill my plants. So these are the tomato plants. They are doing pretty well. They are getting to the point to where they may have to be transplanted again soon, because their roots are just very strong and very long. Here we have the bok choy, and then this is my alyssum. These two are the lettuces. And then this is my rosemary here, which just started sprouting. I don't know what it is about herbs, but they just seem to take forever. And then here, these are the collard greens, and they're doing pretty good except for this one. This one right here is killing me. You see it leaning over? You know, it's craziness. So that's where my seedlings are at this point. Probably next weekend, so the weekend of March 9th, I am going to plant some more seeds. I'm probably going to plant my beefsteak tomatoes, the sandwich size tomatoes, and probably one of my other flowers, either the zinnias or the nasturtium. I'll plant something, I don't know. I'm still thinking on what I really want to plant. But let me show you what my seed potatoes are doing. So we're going to just walk right over here, see my grow bags. Look at my seed potatoes. Yay! They're getting their little chits on them, and I'm going to let them grow a little bit more, and then I am going to plant these next weekend. Yay! I'm so excited. They will be planted in the grow bags. All right, y'all. So that is my update. Oh, I forgot. Let me show you what. So I've still got some tomatoes left that I'm just kind of seeing what they do. And then these are my yellow onions. They're doing pretty good. My red onions did nothing, so I'm a little disappointed. But that's okay. I have those onion sets that I'm going to plant at the end of this month. Whoop, whoop. So we'll be doing good. All right, y'all. So that's all I've got for you today. So you got to see me prep my Sunday dinner, you know, throwing it in the crock pot. And you got to get an update on what my seedlings are doing and what I have coming up next. So I really appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this video, I know it was a short one, but still, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a member of the Bradley Bunch. And be sure to hit that notification bell so that you know whenever we post a video. God bless you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.